We are NRG Systems. 35 years ago, we revolutionized the way wind resource assessment was done. You could say we are pioneers. Today, this heritage of innovation informs everything we do. We are still dedicated to designing and manufacturing smart technologies for a more sustainable planet. That means more renewable energy, cleaner air, and a safer environment for all. We are believers in simplicity and usability. That's because all of our products are designed with our customers in mind. This is our 80-meter tower. It makes wind resource assessment and power performance testing easier than ever. It starts out here at our headquarters in Vermont. This is how it's made. And this is how it's packed. This allows us to ship to you quickly and efficiently. Meet Symphony Pro. This user-friendly data logger comes with a pretty slick package that connects our customers to their wind and solar plants, no matter where they are. This is engineering. They create things that didn't exist before. And manufacturing, supply chain services, and production help make those things a reality. This is tech services. They are master troubleshooters and problem solvers. And this is sales. They are relationship people. Most of our sales team is here in Vermont, but we also have team members in Asia, India, and Europe. This is marketing. They make sure that we are meeting industry needs and keeping our customers informed, while accounting, HR, quality, IT, and administration keep things running smoothly. Here's our executive team, our fearless leaders. No matter the department, we are all guided by the same principles. We are dedicated to creating products that make our customers' lives easier, so you can do the important work that so desperately needs to be done. We are advocates of innovation and champions of sustainability, and we are constantly working to lessen our own impact on the environment. As the world changes, bringing forth new and unprecedented challenges, we are changing right along with it. We promise to keep creating innovative tools for those looking to forge a more sustainable path. We are with you every step of the way. We are NRG Systems.